Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out of Pokemon TCG Pocket on iOS. Alright, so let's begin. There is no direct way of logging out and then logging back within the app, because this app does not provide the option of logout. So, here's how we can do it. We have to delete the app. First, locate the Pokemon Pocket app in your device, and if you press and hold on the app, it's going to show you this screen. Here, we will click on Remove App, and then we want to select and confirm Delete App. After you have deleted the application itself, you can download it from the App Store. And that way it's going to ask you to log in again. Or you can create a new account. And that's how you can log out of Pokemon TCG Pocket on iPhone. So that's basically how you can log out of Pokemon TCG Pocket on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.